Hey YouTubers, so I came across this video by Sophiology and she boiled her wig. She was tired of it looking raggedy, so she decided to boil it. Yes, she put it in a pot with hot water and some silicone mix, and she said it worked out for her. I got this hair off of Amazon in 2017 and I didn't even get to wear it that much for Christmas. It was looking on point. But the neck kept tangling on me to the point where I ended up removing the bottom tracks to avoid the tangling. That didn't work. So then I ended up removing the whole bundle in the bottom and replacing it with some other hair I got off of Amazon. And that seemed to help so far. But what are we in the end of January? And the sides have been tangling on me. I really like this texture though, so I decided that I'm gonna give it a try and boil the wig and see if that works. So stay tuned, but basically I will be using a pot, some hot water, some silicone mix, and I'll show you. I'm gonna boil it for 15 minutes, that's how long she boiled hers. And then I'm going to wash it out with shampoo and conditioner and sit it under my dryer, but with cool air. And I'll show you all of this. So I filled the pot up about halfway, and this is the silicone mix that I'm going to be using to put in there. I'm going to do about 2 spoonfuls. Actually, I think 1 spoonful is enough. I'll try with 1 spoonful. And right now, I have the heat on. We'll put it on medium. I want it to boil. So I'm gonna let the water get all the way hot before I actually put the wig in there. So I'm just gonna keep an eye on this. So it's taken about maybe 10 minutes for the silicone mix to completely dissolve into the water. I did raise the heat more. So now I'm gonna let it come to a boil before I actually put the wig in there. All right, the water is pretty hot. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig in there. Whew. I think everything is submerged. And I'm going to start the 15-minute countdown. You can see it's literally boiling. And keep an eye on your wig. Don't put it on the stove boiling and walk away from it. I'm definitely standing near. I do see the water turning darker, like the dye is coming out. This hair had been dyed black. I'm also moving it around a lot because I don't want the hair that's touching like the pot at the bottom to just be sitting there getting hot, you know, by the heat underneath the pot. So it's been 15 minutes. I've taken it off the stove. Make sure if you're washing it in your kitchen sink, you have some kind of mesh divider so that the hair is catching there instead of getting into your sink. So let's see, I'm gonna pour the hair in here nice and slow. Be careful when you're dealing with hot water. I'll do some lukewarm water on her. Then I'm gonna shampoo it with these. Stick to. So I rinsed her till the water ran clear. I did shampoo and condition, and then comb her out all the way so that she can hair dry. She feels really smooth, so we'll see. The real test will be when I wear her. And I am gonna scrunch it, because I like to wear the natural wave. So it's almost completely dry. The whole point of doing the boiling was because the hair had been tangling. So I wanted to give that a try to see if that will, you know, make the tangles stop happening. At least even if it's a temporary fix, I'll take it as opposed to no fix at all. So I'm gonna make a store run and see how this does. I'll wear it for the rest of the night and let y'all know if the boiling and the silicone mix help to make the tangling stop. But it does feel really good. The hair feels really good. The texture is intact really nicely, and it smells good. So it feels like it's all the way dry now. The hair feels really good. It smells really good. The hair that wasn't giving me a problem with tangling feels really, really good. But I can still kind of tell where the hair is that was tangling me. It's like in this area. So it's not tangling like it was, but I can still tell a little bit. So I guess I would say it was worth it to boil it. I'll just have to see how the hair does tomorrow, maybe the next day. See if I get a couple days out of it before it starts tangling up on me again. So yeah, I'd recommend it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.